Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys. I threw the outdoor big bag fly trap by Rescue out here last night. You know, these chickens, I tell you what, they attract a lot of flies. So I've already filled one bag, but I wanted to show you guys how fast this works. Throw the water in, let the bag dissolve inside, and yeah, it really smells. Whoa. Anyhow, let's see what happens later on this afternoon. Now, this is not in the sun. This is in the shade. So we'll see how it goes. All right, there it is. The afternoon of the morning when I set it up. Now it's in the shade and the flies love it. Now, I don't know if I can say this in the video, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Have you ever smelt a dead carcass that's been laying in the sun for a week or so, or even a few days, I don't know. That's what that smells like. And as a human, you don't want to sniff that, okay? If you've never smelt that before, don't sniff it. Hence, that's why they like that so much in there. Yeah, it works really good. I'm really super happy with these. They come in a 3-pack. The ones I got, hopefully got enough till the flies go away. Usually the first frost. Very happy with it. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.